So what I'm going to do really quickly is show you how to make margherita pizza with the Scorpio. One of my favorite pizzas. I think its simplicity just really highlights the art of Neapolitan pizza making. So come a little closer, and I've got a few dough balls here ready to go. Pull one out here. So for the dough, I am using a Caputo 00 flour. 00 is the grind size. Now, that's something I like to use. Don't necessarily have to use 00 flour, but I really like the result of it. And what I'm doing, obviously, is just kind of stretching the dough here by hand. And see, you get a really nice, this 00 flour, a really nice, almost transparent crust that you can use just perfect for Neapolitan pizza. So I'm going to put this down on the Scorpio pizza peel and put a light amount of sauce on here. And this is a sauce that I made from San Marzano tomatoes and a little bit of salt. So pretty simple again as far as ingredients. And here is some fresh mozzarella that I will lovingly put around the pizza. The mozzarella I did not make. This is comes from experienced cheesemaker. Just kind of put a little bit more on here. And then finally, I'm going to put just a touch of fresh basil. And I am by no stretch an expert pizza maker, but I've made a few pizzas in my time. And then I'm going to show you here how the Scorpio will work as far as cooking this. So here we are. It's, again, a pretty simple pizza. I'm going to take the temperature really quickly of the oven. So just a little over 850 degrees, 70-ish. That's a really good temperature for this oven, being really nice balance. What I'm going to do is just launch this right in on the stone. Here we go, just like that. And I'll close the door. So this pizza will be done inside of 90 seconds. And you'll see the stove just rotating at about just a touch over 2 rotations per minute. Found it's just a great speed, not too fast. You can absolutely launch the pizza in while it's still moving and not worry about getting it twisted up. But yeah, fast enough that it's going to cook you. So we've got our dual jet 25,000 gas burner going here. You can see the crust is already rising up. Start to get a little bit of char on the crust. Cheese is starting to bubble. We're almost finished. All right, I'm going to pull it. There we go. Margherita on the Scorpio. Thanks everyone for joining. Really appreciate it.